In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix Store's filter and sort features effectively. Whether you're running a bustling online shop or just getting started with your e-commerce journey, using these tools can enhance your customers' shopping experience by making it easier for them to find exactly what they're looking for. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide that will help you set up your page for seamless filtering and sorting. First, it's important to situate yourself within the Wix platform and navigate to your category page or product gallery. The heart of these features lies within the page that displays your products. From the Wix editor, locate the specific page where your product gallery or category resides. This is typically where potential buyers will browse your offerings. Click on this gallery or page to highlight and select it, which will cue the editing tools that Wix provides, so you can start customizing the filtering experience. Next, let's get those filtering options rolling. Once your gallery is selected, you'll see a range of icons designed to allow deeper customization. What you're looking for now is the Settings icon. Clicking on it will open up a variety of tabs. You'll want to head over to the Filters tab. This section is dedicated to tweaking filter settings, which is critical for creating a responsive and user-friendly shopping experience. Here you need to toggle on the Show Filters option, which is like turning on the flashlight that will guide your customer's shopping journey. Instantly, this will activate the filter functionality, preparing your site to handle more targeted searching. Wix gives you the chance to really make these filters your own, by allowing you to customize the filter titles and choose which specific filters you wish to display. This is a great moment to consider your product range and customer needs. You have several options to enhance interactivity. The category filter, for instance, lets shoppers filter items based on the product categories you've designated. This is ideal for broad searches like clothing versus accessories. Then, there's the price filter, which simply yet powerfully enables filtering based on a price range. This is particularly useful for budget-conscious shoppers. Moving on, we have product options. This includes filters that help customers refine their search based on product variants like size or color, simplifying their path to finding the perfect fit or shade. Lastly, Wix allows for custom filters, which you can create based on custom categories. This might include filters for brands, materials, or any other characteristic relevant to your stock. Tailoring your filters like this can greatly enhance the usability of your store, encouraging customers to explore more with less effort. And there you have it. Your Wix store is now equipped with filtering options designed to streamline the shopping process and boost customer satisfaction. Remember, a well-organized store is much more inviting to shoppers, often translating into higher sales and repeat business. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.